Hey everyone, this is the unboxing here of the Tozo crystal pods. So you can see here, they have a multicolored transparent design, 10mm composite diaphragm drivers, hybrid active noise cancellation, and dual mics for nice calls. So let's get on into this. These look really cool. As I open it up upside down. So of course you have your paperwork, more paperwork. We have the extra earpieces, USB-C to USB-A, and get to earbuds themselves. And it does say to charge them up before use. And get rid of that little sticker. And you can actually see right through this case. That's very cool. Goes along with the crystal clear. Very, very cool case. Open them on up. And then you see the buds themselves. Actually see the LEDs through them. Very cool looking earbuds. Very nice looking earbuds. And again, you can of course switch out the earpieces. It does have the right there for the right ear. Yeah, very nice looking little earbuds here. And of course, this will be the same. It'll look just the same as the other one. It'll just say left on it instead of right. And see the, it's really cool looking. Very nice design to them. Yeah. And at the time of making this video, these are normally 50 bucks on Amazon right now. They're down to $40. And on top of that, again, at the time of making this video, there's also another $10 off coupon, so you can get these bad boys for about 30 bucks right now if you apply the extra coupon. Don't apply a coupon, you can still get them for only 40 bucks. And these earbuds are IPX5 waterproof rated, and they have up to a 35-hour long playtime on them, so very nice long battery life on these earbuds. Yeah, you guys let me know what you think of these. I think the case itself looks really cool, and then the earbuds themselves also look very nice. Again, especially for that price. You guys let me know what you think. Thank you to Tozo for sending me these as well. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you all next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.